Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down all things beauty with a sharp eye for detail. Have you ever wondered if teeth whitening kits actually live up to the hype? Well, today we're putting one of the most popular options to the test: Crest 3D Whitestrips plus LED Light. This teeth whitening kit promises fast results, clinical effectiveness, and enamel safety. But is it truly worth your time and money? Let's dive in. First, let's set the scene. This kit includes everything you need for a brighter smile: one LED light and 10 whitening treatments, each containing one upper and one lower strip. According to the brand, it works to remove years of stains in just 10 treatments and speeds up the process with the included LED light. It uses the same whitening ingredient that dentists rely on, which is reassuring for anyone seeking a professional-level outcome at home. The key claim here is faster whitening. With the light assisting in weakening stains, the active ingredients in the strips supposedly work more quickly than with the strips alone. That's an interesting twist, since most whitening products don't come with this additional step. The strips themselves use Crest's advanced seal technology, which ensures they stay put. No sliding around, even if you're chatting while whitening. This is a big plus for convenience, as you don't have to worry about the strips falling off or shifting. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using the Crest 3D Whitestrips LED Light for the past week, and I'm impressed with how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. The strips are simple to apply, and the LED light feels comfortable on the teeth. No discomfort or sensitivity, which is a big deal for me. The process is as easy as it gets. Apply the strips, wait 60 minutes, and use the light for 10 minutes at the end of each session. While it's a commitment, the clear instructions make it hassle-free. The whitening process itself has been effective. After just a few treatments, I noticed a brighter, more even smile. The LED light seems to boost the performance of the strips, but it's not a miracle worker. Your results may vary based on your starting shade. What I appreciate about the Crest system is its enamel-safe claim. I have somewhat sensitive teeth, and I didn't experience the usual discomfort that other whitening products sometimes cause. That's a major win in my book. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the pro side, the convenience factor is huge. The advanced seal technology really does make a difference, keeping the strips in place so I could go about my day without worrying about them slipping. The LED light adds a nice touch of innovation, and the results have been noticeable after just a few uses. Plus, this kit is backed by the #1 dentist-recommended at-home teeth whitening brand, which adds a layer of trust. On the flip side, the biggest con is the price. While this kit offers professional-level results, it's definitely on the pricier side compared to traditional whitening strips without the LED light. For some, the addition of the light may not justify the higher cost. Also, if you're looking for fast results, the 60-minute treatment time per day may feel like a lot, especially if you're on a tight schedule. Is this kit a good value for the money? That depends. If you're someone who values the added technology and you're looking for faster results, the price may feel justified. You're getting an advanced whitening system that's clinically proven and dentist recommended. However, if you're just looking for a basic whitening solution, there are cheaper alternatives that might suit your needs. When comparing this kit to other whitening systems on the market, the addition of the LED light is definitely a unique selling point. There are similar products without the light that tend to be more affordable, but none that I've found offer the same speed of whitening. This is a premium offering, but it's clear that the technology is there to support it. As far as build quality and longevity go, the LED light feels sturdy, and the strips are well designed with the advanced seal technology. I've had no issues with the packaging, and everything seems durable enough to last through all 10 treatments. If you take care of the device, it should last beyond this particular kit, making it a one-time investment that could carry you through multiple cycles of whitening. Now let's talk customer support. I didn't need to reach out to Crest's customer service, but given their strong reputation in the industry, I feel confident that they'd be responsive should an issue arise. The brand has built a solid name for handling customer inquiries and maintaining a trustworthy relationship with users. If you're not sold on the price, there are some cheaper alternatives out there, but they won't offer the same speed or technology. Drugstore brands like Colgate or even other Crest white strips without the LED light will work just fine for whitening, though they might take a bit longer. If you're willing to spend the extra money for that spa-like experience at home though, this is a solid option. To wrap it up, the Crest 3D Whitestrips LED light offers a fast, effective, and enamel-safe solution for teeth whitening. It's backed by science and trusted by dentists, which makes it a go-to for many who want professional-level results from home. However, the higher price point and the 60-minute daily commitment may not be for everyone. If you're okay with the time investment and the cost, this kit will likely deliver the results you're hoping for. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Your feedback is always valuable to our community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.